My name is Valerie, and I'm a co-founder and CEO of XpertSea. So with the number of fish decreasing in the ocean and the number of people increasing on the planet, there's a big gap in the demand, and the only way to bridge that is aquaculture. XpertSea is a data platform for aquaculture. We collect all type of data on shrimp farms, fish farms, to provide insights to farmers so that they can improve their operations, get better yield, and make more money ultimately. So the farmers have a device that they use to take data about the animals, their health, their growth, their quality, and all this information then goes to a web platform where they have their own account. Our technology allows them to know exactly how many they have in the pond so that they can give just the right amount of feed and decrease the waste that they produce. 15 to 20% of all the shrimp produced in the world transit through our platform. We envision a real source of food security for the future.